Tell me you're loving this lip gloss because I'm already falling in love with them. I love this lip glosses. You see this one, I'm loving it. Like, hi Juicy Queens, welcome back again to another Juicy content. If you are new here, hello, my name is Estelle. So today I'm bringing to you another sweet tutorial. I'm showing you guys my best lip glosses from Kiko Milano. I picked up 7 shades from them, and today I'm going to show you guys how they look on dark skin. And yeah, I also have a tutorial on the NYX Butter Gloss. I picked up 11 shades, best shades for dark skin as well. You can also check that tutorial down below, or I'll link it somewhere here. If you're interested in this video, I want to see how these lip glosses look on dark skin. I also have one of their matte lipstick. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like at the end of this tutorial. Then stick around, let me show you guys what this 7 shade looks like on dark skin. The first one, I'm going to start with this one. This is in number 17, and it has a little bit of shine to it. Yeah, little tiny glitters inside. And these lip glosses are meant to be sheer on the lips, so we're going to see that right now. So I'm lining my lips using the Kiko Milano lip liner in 531. So we're going to move to the next one. The second one is in number 8, and this is what it looks like. I went in to line my lips with the NYX lip liner in Club Hopper. Tell me you're loving this lip gloss because I'm already falling in love with them. I love this lip glosses. You see this one, I'm loving it. Like, oh my god. So this is what number 8 looks like. So the next one we have is in number 20, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to use this lip liner from Kiko, and this is in 321. So they have tiny bits of sparkle or glitter in them, which is not noticeable. As well as the number 17 I swatched the first time. Number 8 doesn't have, but number 20 have little sparkle or little bit of glitter inside, but they don't appear on the lips. You can see them on the lips, and as always it is sheer and it doesn't feel heavy. So for all of them, just know that they are sheer and they don't feel heavy on the lips. So this is what number 20 looks like. Let me show you guys what the number 20 looks like with that lip liner. Like, I've been showing you guys with lip liner. Let me just show you guys what they look like with that lip liner. This is beautiful with that lip liner, you guys. Can you see? This is when you are now the real juicy queen, like, you know. So this is number 20 with that lip liner. So we'll continue with the lip liner, and maybe one again we'll show with that lip liner so we don't slip here. Now we're going in with number 19. So this is number 19, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to line my lips with the NYX lip pencil in Espresso. So what's your favorite so far? This is in number 19. We are going down. Like, are you taking your list? So this is what number 19 looks like. I love everything I chose. I love them. So I cannot tell you I love this one more than this one, but these are well sorted and selected. So you have to love one. Like, you must love one. Out of all this, my selection, you must choose one. Next. So going back to Kiko lip liner in 532, I'm going to line my lips again. So this is in number 22, and this is what it looks like. So this is what 22 looks like. This is giving me berry color. It's so beautiful. Like, this is so beautiful on dark skin tone. Gloss queen, say my name, lip gloss queen. Like, that's where the juiciness came from. You know, if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, join the juicy family. And why are we called juicy family? Because we sought for the best lip gloss that gives you juicy lips, period. I forgot. So this is number 22 with 532 lip liner. I think this is beautiful. Anyone can rock this. Some days you just need something to look beautiful, colorful, and more attractive. Let's get to the next one. I'm going to use the NYX in Club Hopper. So this is another one, and this is in number 21. How come the dark shades are coming last? This is in 21. Best color for dark skin, you know that. I don't need to preach too much, you know. We need this in our lives. You know, we have 2 more to go, so stick around. Let's finish what we started. This is Kiko Milano lip pencil in 320, and I've been saying 321. It's in 320. So going in with this one, this is in number 5. I just saw this and I like it. It's beautiful. It has little shimmer in it, or glitter. I don't know what to come. Boom. It's shimmer. So this is what number 5 looks like. It reminds me of Destruction or something, or Glimmer. I don't know. I can't remember which one from the Revolution I did. But this is beautiful. I think it reminds me of Destruction also. This is very beautiful. 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 So on to the last one, the matte lipstick. I want to show you guys what the matte lipstick looks like. So I picked up one, so I'll show you guys what it looks like, if it's what you guys are gonna love. Lining my lips with the NYX in Club Hopper again. This is their instant color matte liquid lip color, and this is in number 1. So after all the blending, blend, this is what I'm looking like. That is blending in very well. The more you smack your lips, the more is blending in with your lip liner. Let's go over it with number 17 and see what it looks like. So putting on number 17 on it, this is what it looks like. Yes, finally we're able to swatch all of them. This is 7 here. Yeah, 7 of them. We're able to swatch it. I love you guys so much. If you've watched till this extent, I love you so much. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Hit the bell notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Remember, we upload juicy content. And thumbs up this video if you like it. I will see you again in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.